Hello friends, in this video I'm gonna unbox and share my first impressions about Crocs flip-flops. The color is white and when you open it you can see a nice hanger given in green color according to the branding. So let me take out the supports given inside. This is how it looks from the top and this is how it looks from the side, and from the behind it will looks like this. Here you can see the Crocs branding, and from the bottom the view is looking like this, and here the size is mentioned M11, and there is a good amount of grip given with a lot of comfort which can be useful for indoor and outdoor activities. And from the top you can see there are little projections given here which is good for your feet. Maybe there is a good blood circulation can happen, that you have to read more about the product. Regarding the product, there are product cards are given, so you will get more information about the product by reading that. And overall the weight feels really light, so that it can be useful for day-to-day use. And side there is a black lining or black stripe is there, which can be a good option, good looking option which I can find from this video.